Yo, morning. So, this will be an interesting day. Today it's super rainy, which is super fun, but we're driving on the way to my buddy's shop out here in New York, and we're gonna be working on the Alltrack today. So, for those of you that don't know, we used to have a red Alltrack. About 2 years back, it unfortunately was involved in a big accident where I was driving, where someone crashed in front of me, and I literally could not avoid it. But it was on the road during a snowstorm, so yeah. But everyone was fine. But that car is no longer. That wagon is no longer here. So we've got the white wagon, and it's been kind of a hard life for it because we didn't really know like how much work we're gonna do with it, like. Am I gonna invest all the time and money into it, make it another track wagon that we have fun with, or is it just like a placeholder until she gets what she wants? So, anyway, long story short, we're gonna be doing a bunch of stuff today. Suspension, brakes, DSG change, exhaust. I picked up a bunch of stuff for this vehicle so we can have it looking right again. So, that's the plan today. Let's get on the way. So what do you think? What do you think? That is an American sausage chorizo with a mozzarella and like a Adirondack cheddar blend I made with it. And I was like, and eggs. And then I made the sauce too. So it's like, I don't know, it's my first time making like a breakfast pizza sauce with like the garlic and shit. So I was like, it's got a little kick. It's nothing too crazy. It's nothing too crazy. Yeah. We got whatever this part is. I got the top part. We got new hats, new bearing, DSG filter, fucking smart. All right. You know what? All right, yeah, fuck it, I'm buying a new one. This is what? 8 years old? I guess they go bad. How old is that one? Oh, okay. So they do go bad. honestly, it's because I just didn't feel like spending the money at FCP Euro for it. I was like, nah, I'll just get the same part number somewhere else. It's gonna be the death of me doing that shit, man. One of my goals after, once this is done, like if I need anything else, buy the right shit, buy the newer version, because I like this thing, I need it to survive. Stop being a cheap ass motherfucker. It's okay. Fuck. Like I bought these like 6 months ago and I opened the box, I'm like, why did you buy used? You could have just like been smart with money for like 6 months.
The price difference is crazy though.
It is crazy, but like I do go to work every fucking day, you know? Like I go to work, I know I'm gonna drive my shit. Like I bought all this shit, right? But then cheaped out at the last second. I am so annoying. Ugh.
Usually just push it down. This one's fucking.
Oh boy. Oop.
Not this one. God damn it.
You got the clamps here?
No.
Fuck! I knew I should have brought them. Fuck! All right.
I got fucking.
I can try it. What do I gotta do? Just hold it right here, right?
Yeah, push down. Try to get the. Hold on.
Okay.
See it through the hole?
Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, that's not working.
Woo!
I got a big thing over there.
Alright. Keep going? Alright. I'm not surprised. Which is supposed to help it be cleaner, but now you get way better gas mileage.
It's gonna be dirty. Dirty diesel.
Dirty diesel.
I'll put it on.
Well, you come on. There's like a little bit of a gap to the right, but I don't know. But it just might be how it is, you know? On one end, having one stud does make it a little easier. I need a fucking torch, apparently.
Don't touch that.
Yeah, that's not. Yeah, definitely don't want to fucking touch that.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. So what I will do is I will come back with the truck and grab the exhaust if that's okay. So I don't think, I told her, but she's not here yet, which means...
I'm fixing this car. I got a brake job after that, so I'll be here in a while.
You need help? Or correction, would you like inefficient help? So the same bike?
Same height almost.
Yeah, almost, yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. And so that's what I was looking for. I didn't like, I already had it up kind of high because I got to roll through shit. This should be nice. This should be nice. I already have a fast, uncomfortable car on the road. then this will be the fast, comfortable one. It's not bad. So first things I'm noticing is that it's much smoother. Much smoother. Much